SAP MM stands for Materials Management. It is a core component of SAP ERP that is responsible for managing the entire procurement cycle, from purchasing and inventory control to vendor management and invoice processing. Key functionalities of SAP MM: purchasing, creating and managing purchase orders, vendor selection and evaluation, price negotiation, contract management, goods receipt processing, inventory management, stock management and valuation, physical inventory counting, stock transfers, serial number and batch management, warehouse management, vendor master data maintenance, vendor performance evaluation, vendor payment processing, invoice processing, three-way matching, purchase order, goods receipt, and invoice, invoice verification and approval, accounts payable processing. Benefits of using SAP MM: improved efficiency, streamline procurement processes, and reduce manual tasks. Reduce costs, optimize inventory levels, negotiate better prices with vendors, and minimize errors in the purchasing and invoicing process. Enhanced visibility, gain real-time insights into inventory levels, vendor performance, and purchasing activities. Improve compliance, ensure adherence to regulatory requirements and internal policies. Better decision-making, make data-driven decisions based on accurate inventory information and purchasing analytics. Overall, SAP MM is a valuable tool for organizations that want to optimize their procurement and inventory management processes. It provides a comprehensive solution for managing the entire life cycle of materials, from sourcing to payment. What is the role of SAP MM? SAP MM, Materials Management, plays a crucial role in managing the entire procurement and inventory lifecycle within an organization. It provides a comprehensive solution for optimizing the flow of materials and products, from sourcing and purchasing to inventory control and vendor management. Here are some of the key roles of SAP MM. Purchasing, creating and managing purchase orders, vendor selection and evaluation, price negotiation, contract management, goods receipt processing, inventory management, stock management and valuation, physical inventory counting, stock transfers, serial number and batch management, warehouse management, vendor master data maintenance, vendor performance evaluation, vendor payment processing, invoice processing, three-way matching, purchase order, goods receipt and invoice, invoice verification and approval, accounts payable processing. In essence, SAP MM ensures efficient procurement, accurate inventory control, and seamless vendor management, ultimately contributing to the overall success of an organization. Does SAP MM require coding? SAP MM itself does not require extensive coding. While it's a configuration-driven module, there are scenarios where customization or integration with other systems might necessitate some coding. Here's a breakdown. Configuration. Most SAP MM functionalities can be set up through configuration, which involves defining parameters, creating master data, and assigning authorization profiles. Customizations. In certain cases, specific business requirements might necessitate customizations. This could involve writing ABAP code to create custom reports, interfaces, or enhancements. Integrations. When integrating SAP MM with other systems, such as ERP or CRM, coding might be required to establish data exchange and synchronization. In summary, while SAP MM is primarily a configuration-driven module, coding skills can be beneficial for advanced customizations and integrations. What is the salary of SAP MM consultant? The salary of an SAP MM consultant can vary significantly depending on several factors, including experience. More experienced consultants typically command higher salaries. Certifications. Having SAP certifications can increase earning potential. Location. Salaries can differ based on the geographic location. Company size and industry. Larger companies and industries with higher demand for SAP MM consultants may offer higher compensation. Specific skills and expertise. Consultants with specialized skills, such as S/4 Hana Implementation or procurement analytics, may earn more. Average salary ranges. Entry-level consultants, 4 to 6 Indian rupees lakhs per annum. Experienced consultants, 6 to 12 Indian rupees lakhs per annum. Senior consultants, 12 to 20 Indian rupees lakhs per annum. Lead consultants, 20 Indian rupees plus lakhs per annum. It's important to note that these are approximate figures, and actual salaries can vary widely. Additionally, salary growth potential is often good for SAP MM consultants, as the demand for SAP expertise continues to increase.